Hello, my name is Hector Velazquez and welcome to GCSAA Inside the Shop. Now we just got a new toy. We have a brand new ultrasonic cleaner, which is a great tool to have in your shop. And what they're useful for is to give your carburetors, whether it's a 2-stroke or 4-stroke, a really good cleaning, and probably the most proper way to. Let me show you how it works. Alright, to properly clean any carburetor, we must first remove it from the equipment. Be sure to follow your OEM's recommendations and procedures on how to safely do that. Alright, so here's a real quick tip on these types of carburetors. These screws on here, they look like Phillips screwdrivers. Actually, they're JIS, and these are JIS screwdrivers. There is a difference even though they look similar. Let me show you. On the tip of this JIS screwdriver, as you notice, the edges are sharp and square, which they're designed to grip the screw head, as opposed to the Phillips, they're designed to cam out after a certain torque. Alright, now we're going to completely take apart a carburetor. And what I want you to do is I want you to lay out the pieces in the order that you remove them. This will help you stay organized. And also you can take a picture before we put it in the ultrasonic cleaner, and that way we can put everything back the way it was and we're able to reassemble the carburetor efficiently. Alright, let's talk about the ultrasonic cleaner. This is a 1-gallon capacity ultrasonic cleaner. Comes with this nice small basket for you to put small parts in, and then a larger basket. You will always want to use the basket, as you do not want your part to touch the walls of the ultrasonic cleaner. Do your research on the type of solution that you need to use for whatever type of cleaning you need to do. I'm using LA Totally Awesome, and I'm using distilled water just because I got hard water I'm dealing with here. And I'm using a 10-to-1 ratio, which is a 1-cup solution for 1 gallon of water. Alright, we're just about ready. Now I'm going to put my small parts in the small basket. That'll keep you from having to fish them later. And then the larger parts in the large basket. Then we'll stick our small basket in there and into the ultrasonic cleaner. Now this particular one, I am able to set a timer, so we're going to set it for 30 minutes. And I'm also able to set a temperature, so I can make it hot. And we're going to increase the temperature and turn on our timer, and then we're going to turn on our temperature. The ultrasonic cleaner has to run and be covered for it to heat up. Alright, so what is exactly happening here? How does an ultrasonic cleaner work? Where it uses transducers to create sound waves, and it's usually between 25 to 40 kilohertz, and it creates cavitation in the solution at a microscopic level. We cannot see these bubbles, but these bubbles implode against the surface of the part that you have in there, and that's what makes it cleaning. But it also works its way into cracks and orifices, which makes it perfect to clean carburetors. And we're just about done here. Alright, let's check it out. Now it is hot, you guys, so be careful. Alright, now you're going to want to rinse out your part right away. So we just have it here in a bucket of warm water. And check it out. That looks really good. Not only is it clean, but it's also clean on the inside. Now do not be tempted to take an air nozzle to the 2-stroke carburetors. There's parts inside of it that you can damage, and your carburetor will definitely not work. Well, this carburetor is surely clean. I want to thank you for joining me here today on GCSAA Inside the Shop, where we're helping technicians one wrench at a time.